and welcome to the Opal and Mommy Baking Show. I'm Opal.
Opal.
Say it real loud. I'm Opal.
Opal.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, you're not. I'm Mommy. And today, we're on the other side so that I'm in between her and the oven. And we're going to make it through this time, aren't we? We're not going to get scared. Right?
Scared.
No, we're not going to be scared. We are making muffins today because of Lorna's shower tomorrow. So I'm going to work on that with Opal, and we'll keep you in the loop. Are you ready to come back? Come on. All right, I just rinsed the blueberries. And next, I'm going to mix together all my ingredients. All right, Mommy kissed the scared away. So it's all gone. Right, Opal? Mommy kissed it and made it better, right? So, can you stir this for Mama? Thank you. Good job. Are you stirring so well? Wow, you are a professional. Very good stirring. Now we gotta put the eggs in. Yeah, she's the professional here. Do you want to stir this? Oh, yeah, I think we're done with the butter for this batch, right? What is that?
Oh.
Butter. We like to use butter when we bake, huh?
Oh.
All right. You want to finish stirring for Mommy?
No.
You don't? Okay. All right, Opal's got the blueberries. What are these?
Blueberries.
Blueberries. You want to pour them in? Yay! And then when we stir these in, we have to real gently stir so we don't break the blueberries. Real gentle. What do you think, Opal?
Gato.
Mmm.
Oh.
They look so yummy in there, don't they?
So yummy.
Yeah. And then we'll pour them in their containers and put them in the oven. Yum, yum.
Yum, yum.
What did we just say? We said, bye-bye, scared.
Bye-bye, scared.
It's all gone. Right?
Bye-bye.
Yep, we have no more scared left.
Mama scared.
Yep. Mommy kissed it and it all went away, huh?
Oh,
Yeah, that was nice, huh? I'm really glad.
okay.
We've got those blueberry muffins in the oven. And they're cooking. And we said, thank you, oven, for cooking.
This is